to my channel. I'm doing my house tutorial. I mean, not tutorial. This is a show. So I'm going to show you guys my house that me and my mom, my Roblox mom, created. First, this is the garage. We don't use it because it needs dusting. Oh, and this is the house, living room, and camping source. And right here, you can just have an interview if you want. And this is the bedroom. So, and you can also play here if you want. And also, this is the brand of our house. Okay. And these are just all nothing. Just, we're still working on that. And this is the and this is the playground and where we play. So yeah, that's all for today, and shout out to my mom. She's just like a mom. Okay guys, chill out. Anyways, bye.